tears in your eyes and hugged me. You told me how proud you were of me. You always knew exactly what I needed. Even though we lived miles apart, the distance never felt like it hindered our relationship. I cherish the time you and Grandma spent with us in California and on the road trips we shared. I remember the laughter as my dad drove those mountain cliff roads, putting Grandma Dell on the cliffside while she screamed, "Slow down." And my dad just smiled and teased her a little more. I feel so blessed that I was able to bring my young family to your home. The minute George, my husband, met you, he began calling you Kip with a grin, which you never questioned, maybe because you never saw Napoleon Dynamite. As a child, I remember you always wearing your cowboy boots. You never took them off. Come to think of it, I don't think I've ever seen your toes. And I'll never forget your yellow Cadillac, always covered and always pristine. Whenever I missed Grandma Adele, I always knew who to call, my Grandpa Mark. We cried and laughed together. My last words you spoke to me will stay with me forever. Just among all my family, you carry your grandma's spirit the most. When I speak with you, I feel like I'm speaking to my sweet Adele. This was the greatest compliment I could ever receive. Grandma Adele told me she was always be in the wind, and when I feel the wind, it's her with me. Now I know it's you too. Thank you for the memories, thank you for the love. We will miss you deeply, but with my newfound faith, I've learned that when we pass, we become saints, and saints are always with us. So I know you're with me always. I continue talking to you, and I know you'll visit me in my dreams just like Grandma does. I love you, Grandpa. Until we meet again. Love, Jess. Appreciate it.